Hello, today, I would like to talk about iPhone versus Samsung phones. Which is better? Absolutely. According to recent news and reviews, the latest iPhone and Samsung models offer some impressive features and upgrades. Apple released its iPhone 14 lineup last year, which includes the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. These models come with the latest A16 Bionic chip, improved cameras, and a ceramic shield front cover that offers better durability. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max models also feature a promotion 120Hz display, which provides smoother scrolling and better gaming experience. On the other hand, Samsung has recently announced its new Galaxy S23 lineup, which is available for pre-order and set to be released on February 17. The S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra models come with faster performance, improved cameras, and bigger batteries. The S23 Ultra also features stylus support and a 200MP main camera sensor, making it one of the most powerful smartphones in the market. Samsung phones are also known for their customization options and unique features, such as the built-in S Pen on the Galaxy Ultra models. In terms of pricing, the iPhone 14 lineup starts at around $799, while Samsung's S23 lineup also starts at a similar price point. However, Samsung's higher-end models, such as the S23 Ultra, are more expensive and can cost up to $200 more than the iPhone 14 Pro. Ultimately, the choice between an iPhone and Samsung phone depends on personal preferences and needs, such as camera preferences, operating systems, and design aesthetics. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.